Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my sister Mo.
Hey everybody.
You guys know Mo. We do a ton of videos together. We have a blast. She wanted to come help me today because it involves a lot of yummy snacks. The whole thing about today's video is whenever I learn about something new that I love to share it. So in this video, I am going to teach you something that is going to help you live your best life because it's a little bit fancy. Also, a big thank you to Target for teaming up with me. They sponsored this video. I did all of my shopping there today, and I'll talk a little bit more about that later. But what are we doing today? Today, I'm gonna teach you how to put together a charcuterie board.
Delicious.
Mo, so if someone's thinking watching this video, what the heck is that word? What the heck is a charcuterie board?
Charcuterie boards are a fancy way of saying snack board. It's just a board with a lot of snacks on it.
Snack board means snack board.
All the snacks.
Or like a cheese board. It's just a really fancy word for
grapes, bread, crackers.
all
your favorites.
Now, I started noticing these boards when I started to go to like fancy brunches with my friends, fancy events. Every fancy get-together had a charcuterie board. Now, Mo and I are gonna teach you how to charcuterie, how to put together all of the elements on the board, then take it to the next level. Yeah, even further.
Way above, and we're gonna make a themed charcuterie board. A fall themed one.
But first, the traditional.
All right, here is your traditional charcuterie board. It's just a bunch of different things that allow you to make your own snacks, your own bites, your own crostinis.
So on a charcuterie board, you need cheese.
Cheese.
I always see this kind of cheese.
Brie. Very popular, very delicious, very
So
spreadable.
good, soft.
Yeah.
Element number 2 of a charcuterie board, grains. You need your crackers, and a lot of them have like whole grain crackers or fancy little thin crackers, but you can use any type of grain that you'd like. Third element, fresh fruit, specifically grapes. It doesn't matter if they're green grapes or red grapes, or they're even like those petite, really small grapes. You'll just always see grapes here.
Another fruit, you know, we have some dried dates over here. So it brings the sweet element in.
So like Mo was saying, you've got your sweets, but you also have to have your salty. The fourth element of a charcuterie board is you need something salty.
To bring in the salty, we have some prosciutto, which is very salty and delicious. And then also some olives too. Another element of the board is a little bit more protein, and you can have nuts. Like here we have some almonds
Those will
and
kill
candied
ya.
walnuts. Delicious.
And last but not least, I like to put a little bit of jam and honey on the board. These are very common with the board, and these are sweet elements. All right, those are the elements of a traditional charcuterie board. I hope you guys found this helpful. You can always replace something if you don't like it. And now for fun. To make a charcuterie board, it doesn't always need to be the traditional. You can have fun with it. You can theme them. I actually went online and I saw somebody made, like for Halloween, they made a candy board. They did a whole charcuterie board of candy, and it was so fancy.
It was just their favorite snacks?
Yes, it was like all their favorite.
Yeah.
So today, we're gonna be doing something for fall, for Friendsgiving. This year, we're having a Friendsgiving. We're having friends and family over. And Molly, wait till you see the size of the board I got.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, usually, you know, they range in sizes, but let me show you this size.
Let me see.
Hold.
We'll go get
okay, keep rolling though, camera.
How do they even make it that big? Are you serious?
Molly, look how big
I didn't know that. You can't even see you behind that.
This is humongous. Now, I got it this big for all of our friends and family.
Okay, you can fit a
Because
lot of snacks.
we have a big family.
I'm pretty
And
excited
They're
about
all
this.
gonna be over. So, are you ready to make a themed board?
I'm so ready.
Molly, do something with your hands. Ready?
Yeah.
So, whoa! For this themed board, Mo and I went shopping at Target, and we gathered all of the orange things that we could find. And all of these products are from Target's new grocery brand, Good & Gather. We really like the brand because they have quality ingredients. They took out artificial flavors, synthetic colors.
Artificial sweeteners.
Yeah.
And high fructose corn syrup.
If you can't say it, don't eat it. So you can check out Good & Gather at your local Target or online. I'll put a link down below if you want to learn more.
Snake.
Okay.
Snake.
See, it sounds like you're saying snakes, but I know you're saying snacks because I grew up with you.
Eat
Snacks.
Snake.
You know, I'm not even gonna fight your dialect. I'm gonna let it be snake attack.
You say milk.
What? How do you say milk?
How do you say milk?
Milk?
Milk.
Do I say
milk?
Milk.
Wait, how do I say milk?
Milk.
Like what? I can't hear the difference.
I can't hear the difference either.
You say milk.
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 Milk, like with an E, milk. But it's milk.
Milk?
Milk.
Mill?
Milk. Sounds the same.
Like a
Like a
mill?
lumber
Like a
mill?
windmill? I didn't hear the difference though.
I didn't hear it either. So you know what? It's time for charcuterie.
Snack board.
It's time for a snack board. It's time for a snack board.
Based on what we got, I kind of have an idea about how to do this, so just like roll with me.
Molly's designing this board, and now I am just gonna be her sous chef today. But I am gonna scoop the hummus into a little cute ramekin.
Perfect. That's a great job.
That's a way to step it up, guys. Be fancy. Is take a little ramekin. These are so inexpensive, and just scoop it in here, because you can keep half of it in your fridge to yourself.
Love it. Even
You
more.
just share half of
Better
it with
ideas.
your guests, and then the other half's for
And that's
you.
like a third. You only got to
That's
share
kind of
third
a
that.
thrifty tip. That's a thrifty tip.
Oh my gosh.
So I'll just spin this
Oh, you should
around.
save some of that for the top. To like.
I'm saving that for me.
Oh, excuse.
Molly, are you eating the snacks already?
You have to make sure it's good for your
Olay.
guests. I'm picking out the orange and the green straws.
What are they? Straws?
They're straws, yeah. They're called
straws.
look, sea
Crisps?
salt veggie straws. Potato and vegetable snacks.
Ooh, so is this our salt element for the board? Molly.
Yes.
These bars have peanuts, almond, and peanut butter, and they're drizzled with chocolate.
Oh snap.
So here's our peanut for the board. We got a little creative.
Okay,
All
be
right.
careful not to knock these over. Okay.
Knock what over? Boo!
Oh my goodness. I hand selected those.
So I might not use all of these, Molly, but I'm gonna open all of them.
Okay.
We're just gonna see what fits.
Yeah, I don't
Also-
have that totally planned out.
Yeah,
We'll
you
just have
gotta,
to
you
kinda
gotta,
play.
you gotta like just play with it. You know?
Okay, I'm excited for these sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are like Grayson's favorite food right now.
Same.
And so these are sweet potato chips.
Ooh, okay, I want one.
Taste it.
Okay, just for me. We have to make sure they're good.
Right?
We got some cheese for the
Cheese cubes. You
board.
gotta have the cheese cubes.
Oh, they're already cubed.
Yeah, how nice is that?
I didn't even see that.
Yeah,
I love cheese, so Molly, we're gonna be putting all of this in there.
perfect. I feel like I need to like all the crackers
You
over
need to
here.
put
I
all
need,
the
like,
crackers here.
You think keep them together?
Yeah, they gotta be all friends.
Oh
Little
my gosh.
sweet. You like it?
No, the crackers are everywhere.
The crickers?
The straws.
Oh no, I see what you're saying. I didn't mean to touch these, Molly. Now, okay. So Grayson's almost one. What are you doing for his birthday? Are you doing something for his birthday? His first birthday? That's
have
so
to do
big.
something for his
That's
birthday.
that's a big moment.
Oh, I know.
That's like you made it, little buddy. Let us know in the comments down below if you have any good first birthday themed party ideas.
Yeah. There's another type of cheese too. We can get lots of cheese cubes on here.
I
which
thought we
I
just
think
got
we
one
should.
cheese.
No, 2 cheeses.
Oh, you're right. It is 2 cheeses.
Yeah.
Here, you take care of the fruit. We need fruit on
Yeah.
the board. We also have this maple pecan granola.
Yeah. Yum.
Pecan, we got our nuts, a little
the
bit of
nuts.
nut element.
I
Oh, the
love
carrots, Molly.
Oh, the veggie,
you
the
should put-
the fresh
We should
veggie.
put them right here
Near
by
the
the
dip.
hummus.
Yeah.
Oh, Molly. Oh no. Oh
okay.
no. Oh no. Oh
okay,
no. Oh
okay.
no. No, wait. Oh, jeez, Molly. Oh, I messed up your
So chips and carrots.
messed up crackers again.
My crackers.
Messed up your green crackers.
My crackers.
Sorry.
I have to redo those.
It is that time of year, so Mo, what is something that you're thankful for? Because we always do this every year. We always talk about something we're thankful for.
I know it's so corny though, but I'm really thankful to have Grayson.
That's not corny. He's your new baby boy.
My little boo, and I love him so much. He does something to make me laugh every single day, I swear.
Molly, I think the same. I'm grateful to have a little nephew.
Yeah.
Because he's so cute.
So cute. What about you?
I'm really grateful to be an aunt, and I'm really grateful that we got a new dog because I'm a dog mom.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not a real mom like Mo yet, but I'm a dog
You're
mom.
a dog mom.
Of 2 dogs now.
Counts.
So I'm really excited about that. Oh, Molly, this is great. So then we've got our nuts together over here. We have like the nut bars and the pecan granola. Let's do fruit here and carrots here. The fruit that we're using is mango, and they look like corn husks.
Yeah.
Looks really fall.
It's working.
I'm getting totally fall vibes right now. Because it is fall.
Yeah.
Look behind me. Look how many pumpkins we bought at the grocery store.
We got our sweater weather going on.
Oh, we definitely got sweater weather. It is actually gets really cold in California at night because California is not a tropical climate. It's actually there are palm trees, but it's actually a desert climate. So during the day it's really hot, and then at night it really cools off. Carrots,
Carrots.
and then we'll fix your crickers.
Then we can put the crickers on.
Then last but not least, we'll fix your crickers. Oh, that had a lot of water. We're gonna need a towel. Our themed board is almost ready, but Molly, could you make the stem again? It fell off like so many times. It was on my side, so I kept bumping it. So Molly, I'm gonna move it to you.
Yeah, probably wasn't the best idea to do that little detail first.
Yeah, don't leave your crickers by me.
This is gonna complete our fall look.
Ooh. Mo's using a little something green on the handle. Usually I don't put anything on the handle, but we are using it as a part of the design. There you go.
There she is. She's so pretty.
Ta-da! We're all done. Here is the fall Friendsgiving themed charcuterie board that we made today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing how to make a traditional charcuterie board and then to have a lot of fun with it and see how you can theme them. Mo has made this one look like a pumpkin.
We used a bunch of orange colored food that also have like some browns and fall colors, so it just really feels like Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, autumn.
A pumpkin. Oh, wait,
Pumpkin.
this way. Pumpkin.
Yeah, it is pumpkin season for everybody who enjoys pumpkins.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope that we have taught you something to live your best life.
Oh.
You now know how to make a charcuterie board.
Snacks
You,
on snacks.
you know
on
what
snacks,
it is.
on
You know how to
snacks.
do it.
Yep.
And you can theme it. It doesn't have to be stuffy and fancy. It can also be fun and themed. You can really do anything with it. We want to see your pictures. So please, if you make a charcuterie board, tag us. We want to see it, whether it's traditional or fun, everything. And last but not least, a big thank you to Target. They sponsored this video. They helped make this happen. Thank you. We love you. We had so much fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye. This is what I call quality control. You gotta test it, make sure it's good before you give it to other people. It's just
Mo quality controls everything she makes, and I'm sometimes like, where did half of this potato casserole go? And Molly's like, quality control.
quality control.